Assalamu alaikum. My name is Khalid and I'm recently selected on 17 scale post of lecturer biology. It was my first attempt. In our first attempt, we all are anxious about what to prepare for our test, how to perform in our test, and what to do in our interview. So, BioElectoria is the platform where you find the experience of their experienced teachers. They deliver lectures from the recommended books of PPSC like Miller and Harley, Raven Johnson, Campbell, and Sylvia Mather, etc. Hickman. So, because to pass the test is some other thing, and to pass the interview is some other thing. When these books are recommended to you by PPSC, if you thoroughly studied these books and studied them from different experienced teachers, your concepts become clear because the interviewer are set to check your concepts, etc. And if your concepts are clear, you will surely find this job. So I'm highly recommending you the platform of BioElectoria so that you will find your own job. Thank you very much. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz.